Have you ever stopped to appreciate the rolling pin? It's one of those humble tools we take for granted, tucked away in kitchen drawers or proudly displayed in bakeries. But this seemingly simple cylindrical object has a surprisingly rich history. From ancient civilizations to modern-day kitchens, the rolling pin has been essential in shaping not just dough, but also culinary traditions worldwide. Let's take a journey through time to uncover how the rolling pin rolled its way into kitchens worldwide. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. The story of the rolling pin begins thousands of years ago. In ancient civilizations, the concept of flattening dough wasn't just practical, it was revolutionary. Early bakers likely used smooth, cylindrical objects such as sticks, bones, or stones to roll out dough for bread and flatbreads. In fact, the first flatbreads in these cultures were a precursor to everything from tortillas to pizza. As societies advanced, so did their tools. By the Middle Ages, the rolling pin began to take on a more recognizable form. In Europe, artisans started carving cylindrical rolling pins out of wood, which allowed for a smoother surface. This was an improvement over rougher, less uniform materials used in earlier centuries. Wood quickly became the preferred material for rolling pins due to its durability and availability. Different types of wood, like beech, maple, and oak, were used, each bringing unique qualities. Beech, for example, is dense and resists cracking, making it a popular choice that remains common even today. During this period, the rolling pin also began to take on cultural significance. In many households, these tools were often handcrafted by local artisans, and some families even passed them down through generations. They became more than just a cooking tool. They were symbols of tradition and care. What's fascinating about the rolling pin is its universal appeal. No matter where you go in the world, you're likely to find some version of it. In Asia, rolling pins are a staple for making dumpling wrappers, noodles, and roti. Indian kitchens, for instance, feature a smaller rolling pin known as a belan, which is used to make perfectly round chapatis. In Italy, the mattarello, a long and slender rolling pin, is used to roll out pasta dough as thin as paper. This tool requires a specific technique, passed down from generation to generation, to achieve the perfect pasta texture. Meanwhile, in France, bakers prefer the tapered rolling pin, often referred to as a French rolling pin. Its design offers better control, making it ideal for creating delicate pastries like croissants. Even in regions with vastly different cuisines, the rolling pin plays a central role. Whether it's used to flatten dough for Scandinavian flatbreads, Middle Eastern pita, or Latin American empanadas, this tool adapts to the needs of its users. It's a testament to how food, and the tools we use to prepare it, connects humanity across cultures. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries brought significant changes to the rolling pin. With the rise of mass production, rolling pins became more uniform and accessible to the average household. Factories produced them in bulk, making them affordable and widely available. This period also saw the introduction of new materials, like marble and glass, which appealed to bakers for their ability to keep dough cool, a crucial factor when working with butter-rich pastries. One of the most significant innovations during this time was the invention of the rolling pin with handles. Before this, rolling pins were simple cylinders that required both hands to operate. The addition of handles allowed for easier use, reducing strain on the wrists and making the tool more ergonomic. This design remains one of the most popular types of rolling pins today. By the 20th century, the rolling pin had become an iconic household item. It wasn't just a tool, it became a symbol of home cooking and domestic life. Rolling pins often appeared in advertisements for flour and baking products, emphasizing their role in creating warm, comforting baked goods. Interestingly, rolling pins also found their way into popular culture in unexpected ways. They became a comedic trope in cartoons and films, often depicted as a weapon wielded by frustrated housewives. While this portrayal is far from the reality of its practical use, it's a testament to how deeply embedded the rolling pin is in the cultural imagination. Though its primary function is culinary, the rolling pin has occasionally found other creative uses. In crafting, it's used to press designs into clay or flatten materials for art projects. Some people even repurpose old rolling pins as decorative items, painting them or turning them into unique furniture accents. This versatility speaks to the rolling pin's adaptability beyond the kitchen. In today's world, the rolling pin continues to evolve. While wooden rolling pins remain a classic choice, modern bakers have an array of options. Silicone rolling pins, for example, offer non-stick surfaces, making them ideal for working with sticky doughs. Adjustable rolling pins with removable rings allow bakers to control the thickness of the dough precisely, appealing to those who value precision in their baking. Despite these advancements, the rolling pin retains its traditional charm. Many home cooks still cherish their wooden rolling pins, appreciating the tactile connection they provide during the baking process. There's something satisfying about feeling the texture of dough under your hands as you roll it out, a connection to centuries of bakers who came before us. So what is it about the rolling pin that has allowed it to endure for so long? Perhaps it's the simplicity of its design, or its ability to adapt to the needs of different cuisines and cultures. Or maybe it's the way this unassuming tool embodies the act of creating something with care and intention. The rolling pin is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a link to our past, a reminder of shared traditions, and a testament to the ingenuity of human beings. So the next time you reach for your rolling pin, whether you're making cookies, pasta, or bread, take a moment to appreciate its journey. It's a story of innovation, connection, and the timeless joy of cooking. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. And there you have it, the remarkable tale of how the rolling pin rolled its way into kitchens worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.